me say I don't wanna she like, you know. Yeah man, this is yard as is guys, you know the energy go. Yeah, guys, look what movie want right on it, you know. That is it. Yeah man, it's a blessings guys, you know, movie have taste. Yeah man, so this is the one the movie love, you know. Come on yard man.
Yeah, kill it. Go. Yeah. Water. Where is it? Yeah. Right there. Where's the one? Bucket. Oh.
Yeah, morning guys. Up and about another day. I know it's something go. Another dollar. Yeah man. Yeah, the rest of the family, you know it's something go. We have the house stop the pickaxe. Yeah man. The one that is across the road, so look a bit from this. We'll get cracking. Yeah man. For now, I'm gonna show you all around. And this is how the place look. They must set up the scaffold and them other stuff, yeah. Yeah man, as I said, they will eat Albion St. Thomas and them boy around the corner burn off to wash them because trust me, you know one brown girl kiss in the morning and I work done. Guys, so we want to get to the banana there, but me I tell you, in order to get to it, you have to pass them brown girl there. And trust me, it's not easy to get around them brown girl there at all. Because if they catch an idea, work done, you know. I tell you.
Mr. Crab, you want the two spot in You ready,
Anyway, Jigo, my virgin up about and I say I have tea. Yeah, man, you know it's go. And these are the mugger guys. Look at that.
Sweet coffee.
Yeah, man, blessings. That is it. Grab my shop on the other. Use your 2 and wallet. Hey guys, we're starting here as well. Yeah man, I will soon go upstairs to show you all what's popping. You know what's up, go? Art I love. Yo. Oh, it's a naughty nice. I went the backside. Wait say, have my bad, have you been? What? Naughty and nice. I mean that's the and what the and of the day. How I hell if I'm monkey though? That jump out the hand for you put it broke. Yeah man. Okay guys, them boy downstairs are sort out, you know? Yeah man, clean up and ropes up and get the machine together. So you know energy go. Look a bit from this, be a blessings. Yeah man, Barber run a corner forward. Yeah man, one of the team member that guys. So you know, look a bit from this as me say. Oh yeah, they are tracker man. Active.
Just a floor that doing. Eh? Floor that. Floor that. Yeah.
We will take on the all of the top. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Come on, yard. Guys, the mellow road
Make sure I tell you. You see, the man for a page is a man you fan. And if you like, he can talk to me. And he's a Liverpool player. He's bright.
Yeah, I say because still, guys, we don't know where energy going on. Yeah, man, Manchester United to the world. That is it. Yeah, guys, I'm upstairs and funny enough, them guys put me on kitchen duty. Yeah, man. So I'm there burn up the something as usual. Yeah, man, some curry chicken and white rice. Yeah, man, nothing too spectacular. Yeah, man. Little bit from this, I'm gonna show you all what's in the pot. But right now I'm upstairs and I wait for statics and crab. Yeah, man, to come forward so I can collect something from them and then hit back the stairs. Well, not the stairs, the ladder. Yeah, guys, you know, normally I'm not the chef, yeah, but you know, it's something go. I've been up and about and spending time with Akichi Catering and CD from Somerset. Yeah, man. Two of the best. Two are among the best. Y'all know me I talk about. Can't explain myself properly, guys. I don't know why I lost for words, but CD and Kemar, yeah, man, are two youth where, you know, help me forget to this year level. Cause normally I man is not the chef. Yeah, man. Normally mother help to steer the fire. And that's it. I'm learn a few things about the pot. So figure more or less now and then. I learn enough, you know, we're out and about, you know. So today I cater for the guys them on the site. Yeah, man. I show you a small clip of them guys. I do them thing and I chip them whole heap of cloth and all these things. You know, the Jamaican authentic yard life. As easy as it. Yeah, man. So for now, well, y'all I look at the pot at the moment. Yeah, man. Normally we do the honors of pop in the pot so y'all can see the rice active, yeah. Yeah, man. I'm here, guys, at the Canton Fashion. Yeah, man, them boy they do the do, you know, as usual. Them a drop the rum upstairs. Yeah, man. I'm cover up this and show them what going for the rum pan. Yeah, man, them boy take up his spirit, see there? The spirit flying. Yeah, man, that is it, guys. Fully active. Yeah, man, up and gone. Rasta, I go make the road, man. Them thing I have to look for, you see stealing when I bend proper. They binding wire then run right 3 slippers. Boom, go dread. Yeah, man, if you don't know how to run right 3 slippers, man, right, me show you. See one now. You see this? You tap on this bird seed there, bro. This run 3 slippers now, and this run 3 slippers and board, you know, you see it rusty? Good. Trouble there. You see me? You have to just look for them while I see them just like come walk over this while ago. Blood cleat that in a bar?
I tell you, just appear all the thing.
Alright, see all that on your foot side, so you have to look for that.
Where?
See it there?
This.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, forward.
Watch your step in, bro.
Yeah, if you look here now, man.
Oh yeah, so man, put your man, guys, see Mellow down in the corner there. See man, Mellow start out in water, guys. So you know where something go. Look a bit from this bucket. Watch your step there, say now, bro.
Yeah, man. Road.
Yeah, guys, this is it. Yeah, man, this is the record we take on today. You know the energy go. I take on ton fashion. Yeah, man, so So alright, remember to come upstairs, come show you all what's popping. Yeah man, so this is quite the feat for take on. And yeah man, there's quite a few of us here as well, but you know it's something go. It's a blessed day man, and we up and about and a chuckle. Yeah man. Albion St. Thomas. You know, it's a blessing, real blessing. Come on guys. Rest on the family run a corner there. Fix things. Yeah man. I set up the road them for the barrow. The door to the mixer. I'm not sure because the mixer they kinda quiet, you know. So when the runners in our ear it's a chop. Yeah. Everybody full them tummy. Yeah man, and easy but just I take life for what it is. Yeah man. Work a CP, you know it's something go. Yeah, do that. Yeah man. But this is the other is guys, and we there at Tracker. So come along, yeah. Carrier call me guys. Yeah man, I carry a chef today. Yeah man, I'm out of the kitchen so you know it's something go. Work is that is it.
We don't care.
Guys, look on this now. This is what construction work do to the man. Look at that. The man them plug out. Watch all the rest around there. So. The man them plug out, you know, man. Man, they are asleep like crazy, you know. May I tell you to blow. What is this? Construction, get to them, you know. I tell you. Yeah, man. But that's why I go yard, guys. You know they need to go. Come my yard, man. Active. That is it.
Take funny work.
What I said in the dog, come right.
Yeah, man. Wash out what you want, man. When they look at the feet.
Let's see, I'm plastic belly.
Eh?
Plastic belly. can wire them up, some of them and use them.
Yeah, man, wire that plastic well it.
Yeah, back to them and use them.
Water in a bucket. 2 buckets of water. Just 2 buckets of water on and drink them.
Them are close water, they don't brush out the water.
Pure water one day.
Water. Just take the water to take water now.
Sometimes I feel like I just sit down and chit chat with you all for a few. But what is to say? Yeah, man. Information is power. Information will get you killed. Yeah, man. And sometimes it's good for just shut your trap, keep your mouth, and observe. Because you'll learn a lot from just observing. I've been misunderstood on my journey many a times. Yeah, man. I've been used and abused, battered, and so much more. Yeah, man. But physically and mentally, you have to stay focused. Yeah, man, it's not easy. But me get up daily, I'm going to observe, and me still observe. Yeah, man. I don't have no time for the negative. Yeah, man. It's a thing where we seep in from any and every corner. So you have to know how to monitor your energy. Yeah, man.